Hello guys, welcome back. How you doing? Hope you're all doing great. Today we'll be training one of the body part. So I will be showing you what all the workouts that I am going to perform here one by one. This is pre-workout and you don't need this if you are going through a heartbreak और आपकी जो बंदी है किसी और से बात कर रही है 4-4 बजे तक, then just remember that and start the workout. Imagine the things that they will be talking, all of the things, and generate all that anger and take it out here. Let's go. चल 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 The gap should be
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
यहाँ लगा ले.
Only darkness.
The gap should be around 30 seconds between each set. Try to do at least 15 repetitions and it should be in the range between 10 to 20, not more, not less. क्या chest back? Chest मार लेंगे, chest triceps. Today we will train chest and triceps. I will walk you out through my all variations that I am going to do. But if you are sitting at home scrolling Insta reels thinking about her that she is talking to someone else, then you are going to take out all your anger on someone else and your day is going to get ruined completely. So instead of thinking about her, come to the gym, pick up the weights, take out all your anger here itself instead of taking your anger on someone else. चलो क्या हुआ? आधे 5 रुक एक 30 सेकंड रुक और एक बार मारी थोड़ा एक नीचे का तो बूस्ट तो दे थोड़ा. So next variation is flat butterflies dumbbell press. Chest up, controlled motion. So we are done with push-ups 3 sets, then flat dumbbell press 3 sets, then the second will be inclined bench press. The push-ups comes under warm-up. Many people remain confused on how to hold the bar, like is it too close, is it too wide. So the way I hold is like not the shoulder width, but you're lifting the bar up, and when it's coming down, the angle should be 90 degrees. See this angle? Like this. 1, 2, 3. Life people fully living the life. Chalo. 7.5. Let's do one with 5. I'm not going to educate you guys on the form, is it correct or wrong, but if you're beginner or intermediate, once you get hold of your mind muscle connection, then no matter what the form you're doing, still your muscles are going to grow. When you're doing inclined barbell press or inclined chest press, that exercise is more prone to injury compared to this decline, because on inclined presses your shoulder is involving 30-35%, and if you're doing it wrong, then it can be 60% also. 60% shoulder, 40% your chest. But in case of decline, only your lower chest is getting involved. Yep. So chances of injuries are minimal. So we are done with warm-ups. We did push-up as a warm-up. The next, flat dumbbell press, then flat butterflies, inclined barbell press, then inclined dumbbell chest, then decline, and then the sixth variation that we are doing is pullovers with dumbbells. The first tricep variation is diamond push-up. Very basic, just you need to put your hands close and be in this form. Go all the way down. Push. 1, 2. You don't have to be do your fingers like this. It can be like this or this, but make sure your hand stays close. So we have done with the tricep focused push-ups. Now we will be doing tricep extension. Zigzag rod बोलते हैं इसको. One, two. तीन हो गए. So we are done with two types of variation: tricep focused push-ups and tricep extension. The third one we are going to do is tricep dips. The whole point of you getting suffered with thinking about her when she's all happy out there, going out with friends, talking with her ex, eating good, living nicely, and see, you are here suffering, not able to sleep, spoiling your health, wasting your time on Instagram reels. Why you are destroying your health? That is the whole point. Right now, ये तो बोलने लेने में मैं एक professional हो गए अपन. This is my body condition right now. You can see. I'm not saying that this is the peak body condition. Many of you guys are having a good physique than me. Some of you guys are yet to achieve this kind of physiques, and it may be dream physiques for them. But the whole point is just I want you guys to see me and get motivated. It's not about how good you look. It's about how healthy you are, how far you are from all the bad diseases. So I just want to transform all your anger from that direction, from the overthinking to here in the gym. Just take out all your anger here. You have suppressed all that overthinking, all that anger inside you, and this is the best place to take it all out, and that will also be in a positive way. So yeah, I think that's it. We are done with the workout. If you're watching this and you are getting demotivated, or everyone is suffering and the level is different, so I just want you guys to be happy and be peaceful and take care of your health.